Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today makes episode 2 where we take an idea from one of you and make it here in the shop. Let's get into it.
This had better be terrible.
If you missed out on episode 1, let me get you caught up in what's going on here. A while back, one of our subscribers named Jack, a woodworker from West Virginia, started sending me some templates of projects that he had come up with that he thought I might enjoy making. So I've been making these projects and putting my own little spin on them, and I'm also offering the templates on our website for free so that you can download them and try them out for yourself.
Can he do that?
He did.
The first project is going to be a duck family pull toy. I'm making my version out of a piece of 2x10 because I would really like them to be a little thicker and have a little weight to them. I traced out the mom duck and a few ducklings, and then I just sketched a few changes over them to make them my own. I cut them out with the jigsaw, which I really regret because my jigsaw has quite a bit of deflection, so I had to go back and do some trimming. I sanded them down, rounding over all the corners, then I used a 3/8 inch Forstner bit to drill out holes that will hold the dowels and the wheels. As much as I like natural wood, I decided to paint them with some craft paints. I used some 1/4 inch dowel and pre-made wheels on these ducks. I put 1.5 inch wheels on the mom duck and 1 inch wheels on the ducklings. I'll leave links to the wheels that I'm using in the description below. I also added a few details using a Sharpie. To attach them together, I used some brass plated hooks and eyelets and some brightly colored paracord that I picked up at Home Depot. As a finishing touch, I added some googly eyes.
Googly eyes?
Project number 2 is a Christmas reindeer. I know this idea is pretty common, but it's always fun to put your own spin on projects. I used some 3/4 inch plywood for mine, doing the same thing that I did with the ducks and tracing the templates onto the wood and then making a few adjustments. This time I went with my trusty old scroll saw to cut everything out. Because the template was hand-drawn, I made sure to cut the notches a little small so I could work my way up to a good snug fit. After sanding the pieces down, I stained them with a water-based Mission Oak stain. Some Christmas ribbon and a bow around the neck, and project number 2 is complete. I made sure to not permanently attach the pieces of the reindeer together, and that way I can take it apart for easier storage once the holidays are over. Alright, well these two projects went by pretty quick. We have a really easy Christmas decor project, and then a cool toy that you can make for a little one in your life for a gift this holiday season. A big shout out and thank you to Jack for sending us these templates, and like I said before, I have made these templates available for free on our website if you'd like to download them and try these projects out for yourself. And if you'd like to participate and see us build one of your projects, then let me know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed today's two projects. Thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.